Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Talented Guys. I got these earphones, so I decided to say the unboxing. This is the also my Uplift tool. As you can see, it comes with a nice packaging. So let's open and see what's inside. Here it is. It has two extra pairs of earmuffs. And here we have a wire. As it is a wired earphone, it comes with a headphone jack. These earphones are metal casing and it has a microphone. I am really excited to try this out. Let me know in the comments below what do you think. So that was the unboxing of Uplift 2, and I just realized that this is my second video of unboxing. So I want to thank you all for watching my videos. Take care and have a nice day.